Hello friends, today we have got CC-548 which comes with two inputs. So the first input is our NTC sensor with that comes with the controller itself, and the another input you can give one digital input, that is one door input. So whenever your refrigerators or freezer's door is continuously open for a certain period of time, you can get one alarm notification from the relay itself. And we have got two relay outputs. So the first relay, that is my compressor relay output, that comes with a rating of 20 ampere, and my second relay, that is my alarm relay, that comes with a ampere rating of 10 ampere. So a load below 20 ampere you can connect directly with the relay, and for the alarm also up to 10 amperes you can directly connect your buzzer or any kind of indicator directly with the relay itself. So now moving on to the wiring of the CC-548. So the NTC sensor is already connected, so it will come with the controller itself. Now for the door input, what we have done, we have just taken one small toggle switch. So whenever we will press this button, it will get NC contact to the CC-548. So we have used these two NO contacts of the toggle switch. So whenever we will press the button, it will be NC at the meter's terminal. So from line and neutral, what we have done is, from line we have given one common to this compressor relay. Okay, we have short that, and for the relay 2 also we have taken one more wire and we have short it with the common terminal. Okay, both the NOs from compressor relay and alarm relay, we have given this to the two LEDs, and neutral we have directly given into the neutral terminal. So the same wiring you can do if you are having a up to 20 ampere compressor, so you can directly connect with the relay itself. And for alarm also, for indication or for the buzzer, you can also connect the buzzer also in the alarm relay. So moving on to the parameters video. So as soon as we'll power on the instrument, so we will get the room temperature, whatever the temperature is, the sensor is kept on, so we'll get to see that temperature. Now you can also see this relay 1, it is blinking as it is taking delay time. Now the by default set temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. To go into the parameters page, we'll keep this set button continuously pressed. Directly F2 will come on the page. Now the F2 is my set higher temperature for my alarm relay. So let's say if I'll set 30 degrees over here, so above 30 degrees if this temperature goes, my alarm relay will get on. Same way F3 is my set lower temperature. Again HS is my high set value. So if I'll set 30 degrees over here or 50 degrees over here, I cannot set my set point above that particular set point that I have set in HS value. Same way LS is my lower set point limit. Again F4 is my tolerance value, as my set point is 10 degrees Celsius and hysteresis value is 3. So 10 plus 3, that is above 13 degrees Celsius my compressor relay will get on, and at my set point my compressor relay will get off. F5 is my offset value, so I can set the offset value with the help of up and down key over here. Again we'll press set button. F6 is my delay time for the compressor, so by default it is 3 minutes, so I'll make it 0. Okay, so you can see I've made the delay time 0, so my relay is on, that is my compressor relay is on. OT is the minimum time that my compressor will be on. If I'll set 5 minutes over here, so once my compressor gets on, so it will be on for up to 5 minutes at least. Okay, in conditional of my set point whether it has reached or not. If I'll set 5 minutes over here, my compressor relay will be on for minimum 5 minutes. Again I'll press set button. Here we have got F7 is my alarm delay time, so that is 20 minutes. So you can set your delay time over here. If you want no delay time, so you can set 0 over here. I'll set 0 over here. Again we'll press set button. So here we have got the option of LP, that is lock keypad. So if I want to lock my keypad that no one can change the set point, so I'll set 1 over here and press set, so no one can set my temperature, no one can change my temperature in the main page. Again we'll press set button. here we have got the option of alarm, that is we can disable or enable the alarm options. So by default it is 2. So in 2 we will get the alarm in high temperature whenever the probe is failure and whenever there is a door fault. Okay, so if I'll set 2, so we will get 3 different kinds of alarm. Again we'll go in AL. If I'll set 1 over here, then I will get all the 4 alarm, that is high temperature, low temperature, probe failure and door fault. If I'll set 0, that means my alarm relay will be continuously off. And if I'll set 3, then I will get the low temperature alarm, high temperature alarm and my door fault. So I'll set 2 over here, I'll set 1 over here and I'll press set button. Now A3 is my relay polarity. Now to change my relay polarity, I can use 0 or 1. That means if it is 0, then in the case of alarm input, my output will be there from NO contact. If I'll set 1 over here, then my output will be there from NC contact. So I'll set 0 over here as I've done the wiring as per my NO contact. Again I'll press set button. Now A4 is my compressor status. So let's say if there's any high temperature fault, okay, so in that case if I'll set 0, then my compressor will be continuously off. If I'll set 1, then there will be no action for compressor. So by default it is 0, so I'll set 0 only over here. Now E1 is my compressor relay status whenever there is a coil probe failure. That means if my sensor gets error or it has opened due to some reasons. So what will happen? If I'll set 2, then it will perform on duty cycle. That means my compressor relay will be on for 10 minutes and off for 4 minutes. That is customer configurable. So you can set the timing on time and off time of the compressor relay in the meter itself. If I'll set 1, so my compressor will be continuously on. If I'll set 0, then my compressor will be continuously off. I'll set 2 over here and press set button. So CN is my off time during my coil probe failure. So that is by default 4 minutes. And CY is my on time, that is by default 10 minutes. You can also change the on time and off time. Again we'll press set button. So D0 is my digital input status, that is after 10 seconds. So if I'll set 0, that means whenever my contact is closed, so in that case that is healthy. If I'll set 1, that means whenever my contact is open, at that time my relay is healthy. That means my door input is healthy. So we have used NO of the toggle switch. So I'll set 1 over here. Then we have got the option of DI. DI is to activate or deactivate the digital input. So if it is 0, that means my digital input is disabled. If I'll set 1, that means it will auto reset. And if I'll set 2, then you have to manually reset by pressing this enter reset button. So we'll set 2 over here. Next option we have got, that is of decimal point. So we can select the decimal point option, yes or no. Again we'll set press button. So here you can select your unit, that is degree Celsius or Fahrenheit. So we'll set degree Celsius over here and press set button. Now we have got the option of factory setting. So you can factory set the instrument, whole instrument. And again we'll press set button. Then we have got the option of password enable or disable. So if I'll set 1 over here, then my password will be enabled and the password for the controller will be 39. So each and every time if you want to go into the parameter settings page, then you need to press the password button and you need to press the you need to enter the password, that is 39, and then only you can enter into the page. Now to save and exit, we'll press enter button over here. So as you can see, my set point is 10 degrees Celsius. So my compressor relay is on. Now to give the input, we'll keep this push button continuously on for 10 seconds. So what will happen? My door input fault will occur in the instrument. So as you can see, I've pressed it for continuously 10 seconds. That means my door is open for 10 seconds. So we have got the indication over here that my door is open and the alarm relay has got on. Now we have set this as manual reset. So I need to press this enter button continuously to reset it. Okay, so now the fault has reset. Same way for high temperature and low temperature also, my relay 2 will get on. It will get activated and my relay 1 will be activated as per my set point and hysteresis value. Thank you.